Hi there. Can you tell me who you are?
My name is Kelly.
Kelly. From Kelly.
I'm from Mount Holly, New Jersey.
Mount Holly, New Jersey. Okay. You are at B&B Automotive in Fairless Hills. And so it begs the question, how did you find out about us?
My brother actually bought 2 cars from here.
2 cars?
Loved it.
Wow. Oh, that's a good recommendation. 2 cars. Terrific. And I think you told me this is your very first car.
This is my very first car that I've bought.
Wow. Good for you. How does it feel?
It feels great.
Let me just pan back because you got a very pretty car. Let everyone see it. And this is a Chevy Cobalt, you told me, right?
Yes.
Yeah, terrific. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Where'd you go to school? Go ahead.
I went to school at Rancocas Valley.
Okay. And that's in Mount Holly,
yes,
New Jersey. Okay, right. And what do you do for a living?
I work at Home Depot.
Home Depot.
I load the delivery trucks.
Oh, no kidding. Oh, that's great. Good for you. And now you got a nice little delivery truck of your own.
I do.
All right. Well, we want to thank you for coming up and making the purchase. Be sure to thank your brother, too, for sending it.
I did. I texted him. I said, thank you. I sent him a picture. I was like, this is mine.
Oh, that's great. And I think it was your grandfather gave you a ride up here today, right?
Stepdad.
Stepdad, that's right. So you can, you don't have to come back another time. You can just drive home, which I bet you're eager to do.
Yes.
All right. All right. Well, thank you very much.
No problem.
We'll see you.